Hello students, let us solve more questions based on section formula. The line joining the points 2, 1 and 5, -8 is trisected at the points P and Q. If point P lies on the line 2x minus y plus k equal to 0, find the value of k. So, this is a line segment given, student. Coordinates 2, 1 and 5, -8. So A coordinates 2, 1, B coordinates 5, -8. And P is a point. PQ are the point of trisection. Okay. P and Q trisected A and B. It means AP is to PQ is to QB equals to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Because P and Q are the points of trisection. So that's why we can write here AP is to PQ is to QB equals to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So for P, the ratio will be 1 is to 2 because this one will be added. So for P, we have to draw other line diagram. We have to show here only P, not Q. So the ratio will be 1 is to 2. And the coordinate point A 2, 1, the coordinate of B 5, -8. So we are going to find the coordinates of P, x, y. So coordinates of A will be x1, y1 and coordinates of B will be x2, y2. So let us use section formula. X equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. M value 1, x2 5, n value 2, x1 2 upon 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 4 upon 3, 9 upon 3 equals to 3. Now student, y formula, y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M value 1, y2 -8, n value 2, y1 1 upon 1 plus 2. So -8 plus 2 upon 3, -6 upon 3, -2. So coordinate of point P, -3, -2. But student, this point lies on a line, it is given to us. Point P 3, -2 lies on the line 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Since this point lies on the line, it means this point will satisfy the line. So we are going to put the value of x3 and value of y -2 in the line. So putting x equal to 3, y equals to -2. So 2 into 3 -2 plus k equal to 0. So 6 minus plus 6 plus 2 plus k equals to 0. 8 plus k equal to 0. Then k equals to -8. Okay students. So what you have to remember before solving this question, student, trisection is given here. Okay, this point and this point, a line segment given, and trisection is given. Trisection means there are 2 points which divide the line into 3 parts and all 3 parts are equal. That's why we have supposed here 1 is to 1 is to 1. So for P the ratio will be 1 is to 2. But for Q, student, the ratio will be 2 is to 1. We have to add these 1 and 1. If the question asking about find the coordinate of Q, then the ratio will be 2 is to 1 and we have to use the section formula. Okay. Now let us solve one more question, student. 3 vertices of a parallelogram are 1, 1, 4, 4 and 4, 8. Find the fourth vertex. So this is the parallelogram, student. A, B, C, D. A is given 1, 1. B 4, 4. C 4, 8. We have to find out D. So we have supposed here D coordinates x, y. So students, coordinates of A will be x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3 and D, x4, y4. So how can we solve this kind of question, student? So this kind of question will be solved by midpoint formula. Student, we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of AC and O is also the midpoint of BD because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That's why we have written here, we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. So this is the AC, student. Generally, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. But here, we have supposed this x1, y1 and coordinate of C, x3, y3. So that's why formula will be x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2. Similarly, for BD, student, we can write x2 plus x4 upon 2, y2 plus y4 upon 2. So that's why I have written here x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2 for AC, and for midpoint BD x2 plus x4 upon 2, y2 plus y4 upon 2. Let us put the value. x1 value 1 plus 4 upon 2, 1 plus 8 upon 2. So 1 plus 4 upon 2, 1 plus 8 upon 2. x2 value 4 plus x upon 2, 4 plus y upon 2. 4 plus x upon 2, 4 plus y upon 2. Now let us solve. So 5 upon 2 equals to 5 upon 2 comma 9 upon 2 equals to 4 plus x upon 2 comma 4 plus y upon 2. Both coordinates are equal, student. So we can compare the value of x with x. So 5 upon 2 equals to 4 plus x upon 2. And 9 upon 2 equals to 4 plus y upon 2. 2 cancel. So 4 will transfer this side. 5 minus 4 equals to x. X equal to 1. 9 minus 4 equals to y. Y equal to 5. So coordinate of fourth vertex equals to 1 comma 5. Okay, students. So always remember, when some vertices of parallelogram are given and the question asking about the value of x and y, then always we have to solve the question of parallelogram for unknown values by section formula. By section formula or by midpoint formula. Now students, next question. The coordinates of one end point of a diameter AB are 4, 3 and the coordinates of the center are 1, 1. Find the coordinates of the other end points of the diameter. So this is circle, student. This is diameter. So A coordinate 4, 3. It is given 4, 3. And coordinate of center is given. Center O coordinate 1, 1. We have to find coordinates of other end point, means B coordinate we have to find out. So A coordinate will be supposed as x1, y1 and center coordinate will be supposed as xy. We have to find out x2, y2, student. So we know that center is the midpoint of diameter. Okay. So we are going to use here midpoint formula. X equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. X value 1. X1 value 4. X2 value we have to find out upon 2. Cross multiplication 2 1 2. 2 equal to 4 plus x2. So 2 minus 4 equal to x2. Minus 2 equals to x2. Now for y, student, y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Y value 1. Y1 value 3. Y2 value y2. So 1 equals to 3 plus y2 upon 2. Cross multiplication 2 1 2. 2 equals to 3 plus y2. 2 minus 3 equals to y2. Y2 equals to minus 1. So coordinate of other end point of diameter x2 y2 value is -2 and -1. This is the coordinate of other end point of diameter. Okay students.